Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chronicle. Today I'm going to show you how to create an eye-catching thumbnail for YouTube videos. Thumbnails are super important because they are the first thing people notice about your content. So let's dive right in. First, open your design software. I recommend to use Canva or Photoshop for this tutorial. So let's start with Canva. Start by selecting the proper dimensions 1280 into 720 pixels. This size is perfect for YouTube. Now think about your thumbnail's message. Keep it simple but bold. Add a background image that reflects your video's theme. And don't forget to include vibrant attention grabbing text. Choose colors that contrast well so your text stands out clearly. Next, position your text and images in a way that does not feel cluttered. Leave some space for everything to breathe. A well organized thumbnail is more likely to catch someone's eye. Once you are happy with layout, review it to make sure everything is readable. Even on small device like smart, and there you have it. A professional looking thumbnail ready to draw in viewers. Hit that save button and you are ready to upload it to your video. Yes, you can upload the files from your computers and use in this template. I have used the template, so you can also use the template and change the images accordingly. So if you want your images to fit exactly in the shape as provided in the template, what you have to do, just you have to drag and drop your image in this template. So I have here my template, my image, and just I have dragged and dropped it, so the image has got fitted in the same template as required. So this is very simple. You don't need to just have if you just put you have to select that image, yeah, like that. You have to select that image and just drag over it, so it will be get selected. If you does not select that image and you just draw it, just drag it, it does not fit into that shape. So you have to firstly select that image and just you have to drag and put over it, so it will get converted as in the shape required. So likewise you can do thumbnails also, and accordingly you can change this text as well. And also you can do many things and add many editing effects in this thumbnail. There are many options to add text, backgrounds, and to add effects and animations. You can change the font sizes and the font color. You can make it bold. You can have add animations and you can add effects. So there are many things, many options you can try to make it better. So yeah, likewise you can also flip the images upside down, horizontal, or flip vertical. You can add elements here. So for downloading this your thumbnail, go to download and select download option, and it is in MP4 video format, so or select PNG or JPG format, whichever you want, and click on download. So your thumbnail is ready. You can directly upload to your YouTube video. Please do subscribe and share this channel for more such videos. Thank you.